Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How to create a poll on messengers. I will show you in my videos. It's very simple. Okay, first of all, you need to remember that poll only work on group chat. So you need to go to your group chat or create a new group. Okay, now I'm in a group chat. I will tap the plus icon here. Now a lot of options will show. You will choose the poll option right here. Now it's very simple. First, you need to type in poll question. I will type in some question. Now you need to add options one by one. After you finish, you can click Create Poll. Now you can vote, and other people in the group chat, you can easily see how many vote for each option and which option have highest vote, like this. Okay, that's also a way to create a poll on messengers. I hope you will like my videos, and you can read my poll here. Subscribe for Colin Takeoff. Please give me a subscribe and drop a comment below what topic should I do next. I will see you in my next videos. Thanks for watching.